Hey everyone, today we are going to be doing the November Boxycharm unboxing. I just got this in the mail, so if you want to see me unbox the Boxycharm box for November, just keep watching. This is the base box, by the way. For the record, I haven't looked at any spoilers or anything. I just saw that some people got a Natasha Denona palette, but we'll see. I never know what I'm going to get, so let's open her up. Bubble wrap, always a good little card saying I have to say that Boxycharm sent me this. So obviously Boxycharm sent me this in order to unbox. 25% off Natasha Denona, so here y'all go. Get that discount. And this month's theme is harvest, so like Thanksgiving sort of vibes. We never look at the other side of the card because it shows spoilers. So, is that? What is that? I got the Natasha Denona palette! Not that it's like my favorite color story, but like I'm excited. Okay, we'll open that after. Bubble wrap, and then what is this? Oh, I love the normal Kush mascara from Milk Makeup, so this is awesome. I don't even have a full size of that, so to try their waterproof mascara, definitely excited. Woo! Okay, so far this is my favorite box. What is this? Oh, Alamar Cosmetics Eyeshadow Pigment Base. That's awesome, actually. I had the only base that I use this Urban Decay primer potion, but it's literally like from high school, so it's old and drying out, so I'm excited for this. Definitely very excited for that. Ooh, okay, what's in this? This is Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. Okay, dope. And what do we have lastly? Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser by Peach and Lily. I don't need a million cleansers. I really wish that they would send more moisturizers, but that's fine. The Milk Makeup Mascara has the most heavy-duty packaging. I just had a ton of minis of the regular mascara, and it's like my favorite mascara, so I'm hoping the waterproof I will like just as much. This is hefty, like you know that you're getting a product that is like expensive. So this is what the Natasha Denona palette looks like. It's stunning, actually. Like, it's obviously not my type of eyeshadow palette usually because I'm a bright eyeshadow girl. I'm not the biggest fan of supernaturals, but this like orangey shade is stunning. That like champagne-y shade, also stunning, and also that brown, stunning. And I do like the white. This is a palette that is exclusive to Boxycharm as well. It's called the Peak eyeshadow palette. So, I mean, I'm excited that I got a Natasha Denona palette in my box. I do like the Natasha Denona formula. I have some other palettes that I I put into their own little like single eyeshadow sort of thing, but I'm really excited for this actually. So this is what the Alamar Cosmetics Sticky Pigment Base looks on my skin. It is very sticky to the touch. As you guys can see, it doesn't blend in with my skin tone. It's a little bit yellowy, but I'm definitely curious to try this to see how it works. My eyes are super dry lately. I'm not exactly sure why, but I've been trying to hydrate them, so I'm not sure when I'll be able to try this out, but I definitely will, and I'll let you guys know how it works. Maybe it'll be a holy grail, or maybe I'll hate it. Who knows? This Radiance Polishing Mask is actually interesting. For one, the packaging's cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I like the packaging. I don't like screw off lids though, so let's see what the back of the container says. Smooth a thin layer on clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Cool. I'm actually excited to try this. I always like trying new skincare products that will work for my skin, so excited for that. And then we have the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. I have a ton of cleansers, so I'll probably gift this to my mom. I'm whispering because she might be able to hear me, but yeah, I'm probably gonna gift it to her because she loves skincare stuff. And I always give her stuff, but this is nice. I do like Peach and Lily. They have really great stuff. And let's go through the prices of everything. So the Natasha Denona palette is $48. Insane. Peach and Lily is $28. Milk Makeup $24. The Yenza Pumpkin Radiant Polishing Mask $45. And $15 for the Alamar Pigment Base. So overall, it's actually one of my favorite boxes, which is funny because like I'm not like the biggest fan of the colors in this palette, but it's just because it's like a Natasha Denona palette that I'm like, yes, like I'd rather get a high-end palette that I wouldn't use a ton of than getting a like cheaper palette I wouldn't use a ton of, if that makes sense. Like that like orangey shade kind of screams fall for me. Like I want to slather that all over my eyelid right now. I'm not gonna lie. It's so pretty. And I mean, obviously I'm most excited for the Milk Makeup waterproof mascara. Like I'm so excited. I love the normal, so I'm very excited to try the waterproof. I'll actually use it today in a look. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I will post in the community tab how I feel about this waterproof mascara. Let me know down below if you get Boxycharm, what you got in your box, and what's your favorite item from my box. Obviously, mine is the Milk Makeup Waterproof Mascara, but second is actually the Natasha Denona palette just for that orange. It's stunning. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick unboxing. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, Makeup by Tasha XO. I post makeup tutorials on TikTok now. Totally groovy. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Hi, Jinx. Please don't sneeze. My cat is still sitting here, so, you know, we're just gonna deal with her for now.
You look so sleepy.
He 100% said poke him. Joseph.
Are you serious? Get off. Get off. Get off. Hi. Hi. Oh, wow, thank you. Thanks, Chloe. That's so nice of you. Thanks.
What are you doing? Hey, Coco. What are you doing?
You're so fucking... Don't roll. You just about fell. Here, sweetie pie.
Chloe.
What are you doing? Don't grab at your tail. doing? Chloe, what are you doing?
Yeah, you almost fell.